All right, kickoff conference play tomorrow. Guy that we think we're going to get in game one is number 40, Oliver Hernandez. Pitching to a 10.66 ERA, started 6 games, 25 innings pitched, 49 hits, 30 earned runs, one more walk than he has strikeouts. Guys are hitting 398 against him. Around the zone, not going to blow you away. We're going to look at some video here. Looks like a pretty stock right-hander. Everything that we have on him says somewhere in the 78 to 82 mile an hour. So let's take a look here at some of his stuff. Here's the fastball. Falls off down the first baseline. All told, looks primarily like a two-pitch guy, fastball, curveball, or slurvish action. We'll throw the breaking ball to both righties and lefties. Like we talked about today, not going to wow you with velo, not going to wow you with stuff, but what he will take advantage of you on is if we get out of our approach. Here's another fastball out of Oliver. Probably not a good one to show you, but here we are. Breaking ball. You can see it pops up right out of the hand. Should be an easy read. He's gonna look to dump that in, and hopefully that we shut down on it and get that over for a called strike. Fastball out over the plate. Wants to live away. But you can see he's kind of all over in his. He'll lose stuff arm side. These are bad misses arm side. But here's one they marked as a slider. Same type of action. Here's a better fastball. Kind of middle of the plate. Good approach by that young man right there. Just staying behind the baseball, working to the backside of the field. I think if we can stay disciplined to our approach, disciplined to our zone, really make Alliance make plays on us, I think that there's many opportunities that we can take advantage. We're just going to have to really adjust our timing window early on. We can start in 1 and then adjust to 2. I think that's the move rather than starting in 2 and adjusting off that. We can always dial it back to 2, but we really just got to stay within ourselves. Let's get off to a hot start. Start off conference play 1-0 tomorrow. Again, the only thing we care about is number 14 and playing against the baseball. Go Bolts.